Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some entryway decorating ideas. I have 4 looks to share with you guys. There are so many ways I can decorate this entryway, but I don't want to go out and buy anything new for this. So I'm just going to shop my home to create some looks and give you some ideas on how you can decorate your entryway, and I hope you enjoy watching. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.